you can dance to me, so put your
What's up, World Wide Web? It's your boy Marlon O. Bennett. Yep, I'm the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, let's just cut to the chase. The only reason you're on this video, the only reason you're watching and listening to me right now is because you're looking for a way to make money on the internet. And I can tell you right now, guys, you're in the right place at the right time. So this is what I want you to do, guys. Just below this video, there's a field, and I'm asking you guys for your name and or your email address. Whatever it is I'm asking you for, guys, put your name, give me that information, and I'm going to run you guys over to a presentation where you guys can learn a little bit more about how you can start making money on the internet and crushing it, right? Not only in the year 2018, guys, but the year 2018 and beyond. So let's get started, guys. I got miles to go before I sleep. Give me your name, your email address, or whatever it is I'm asking for, and I'm going to show you guys a great presentation. This is going to explain to you and break down to you how you can start making money in the year 2018 and beyond. Let's go, guys. Let's get started. I'll see you guys on the inside.